In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the latest posts using the AI tool in your X account and then publish them either on your social media or your website with the latest information. And by the way, this is one of the best tools you can use to create or to generate content that you can publish because you get the latest information. And where does this AI tool get this? It gets them from what is trending and what is being talked about and what has been published to generate. So if you are struggling with your content generation, this is a better tool that you can use to get the latest happenings in the world of politics, in the world of business, and so many other things. So the AI tool we are talking about is Grok. So go ahead and log into your X account and then click on this tool called Grok. So when you click on Grok, you'll find that Grok has a lot of usabilities and you can ask Grok anything. So what can you do with Grok? You can use Grok to make drawings, to analyze. You can even use Grok to analyze your doctor's report and so many other things. For now, I want us to see how we can generate latest posts with the latest information using Grok. Now, when you scroll down, you can see topics that are being discussed around you and around the world. For instance, we have news on Starship, we have trending topics on Neymar, we have trending topics on Manchester United, and so many other things that are trending online. We even have trending topic on Microsoft 360 price increase. Let's go and try out with one topic. Let's go ahead and generate an article on this trending topic, Manchester City striker Haaland. So let's go ahead and click on it and see what Grok will bring out. And that's good. Now you can go ahead and click on additional information. For instance, if you want salary details, you can click on it and it will give you additional information on his salary details. If you want to know information about his contract specifics, and Grok will also do the same. And you can see how much you can generate with Grok. You can now copy this, combine all of these, and create a great article to publish. Now I want to use this to create an article. I'll go to my website and we want to create a post using this information that we have obtained from Grok. So I'll take this to be my heading. And because this is related information, I will copy each and paste it in my website. I'll take the salary details as well. I'll remove these logos. That's salary details. I'll take the contract specifics. I'll copy it. And that's it. I've just come up with 512 words article without lifting a finger. And you can also add these subtopics or subheadings if you wish so. This will make your readers more interested. So you can make this a subheading. Here we go. And also the contract specifics. And make this a subheading, and the article is ready. And the good thing, it gives us even some details or some key things to keep in mind. For instance, we are told, please note, full contract details are typically not released to the public, so some of aspects remain speculative based on industry norms and leaks from sources. The extract figures and clauses might differ slightly from what has been reported. Therefore, this is an article that contains what is out there, what is in the news. So this is an article that can be published. And the good thing, you can see how it quotes even the sources and the figures. So I like this. It is trustworthy. So from here, you can go ahead and select the categories and then add the features for the photo. In fact, for the photo, I can still go ahead and search from images on X, and I'll get a lot of images here. Let me select media. And here we have a lot of images that you can download and use in our article. Then to my gallery, give it alt text, and then under caption, I'll just indicate this is a courtesy image. This implies that I'm not the original author. I'm using image from another source. Then set it and publish it. It has been published. I can go ahead and check out my publication. And here we go. The article is live. The article is live and available to anyone who wants to read. So that's how you create articles using information available or using trending topics on your X account. And this content can be monetized and you will start earning from it. So go out, use it to create content that can benefit you. So let me know in the comment section, how are you using Grok and have you experimented with it? And if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.